Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Naomi Stephanie from class 10-12.
My name is Kalashafa Avila for class 10-12.
Today we're gonna explain to you about narrative text. First, purpose. The primary purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader through the telling of a story. Narrative writing aims to engage the reader emotionally, often through the use of character, plot, setting, and conflict, making the story captivating. While entertainment is the core goal, narrative can also inform, persuade, or share a point of view.
2. Generic structure. Generic structure of narrative text is 1. Orientation. Explain, set the scene, where and when a story happened, and introduce the participant of the story. Who and what's involved in the story. 2. Complication. Tells the beginning of the problem which leads to the crisis climax of the main participant. 3. Resolution. The problem, crisis, is resolved either in a happy ending or a sad, tragic ending. 4. Reorientation. This is a closing remark to the story and it is optional. It consists of the moral lesson, advice, the teaching of the writer.
Language feature of narrative text. 1. Using a simple past tense. Once upon a time, using time conjunction. Example, then, before that, when, finally. 2. Using adverb of time. Example, once upon a time, one day. 3. Using action verbs. Example, kill, duck, walk. 4. Using direct speech.
For example, I wanna explain to you the example of narrative text. Izin memakai bahasa Indonesia agar lebih mudah dipahami. Di sini ada ceritanya. Sekarang saya akan menjelaskan language feature-nya. Yesterday, I visited. That's an action verb ditambah dengan simple past. My grandmother in Marga Asih. Before, that's a conjunction. My mom said, be careful on the road and don't forget to bring a jacket as the weather is cold. That's a direct speech. After, that's a conjunction. I arrived at her house. That's a action verb and simple past. She was very happy to see me. That's an action verb ditambah dengan simple past. Immediately, that's the adverb of time. I helped with action verb her with the course that a simple past. Then adverb of the time we shared action verb and simple past, a delicious meal and take about the old days that action verb ditambah dengan simple past as conjunction. The sun began as an action verb ditambah dengan simple past. To said, I had, that's the action verb ditambah dengan simple past. To leave. However, that's a conjunction. My grandmother said, come on again soon. That's a direct speech because ada tanda kutip dan itu adalah kalimat langsung. I promise that the action verb ditambah dengan simple past. Her that I will, that the simple past, visit her again next week. Nah, udah segitu saja.
That's all the explanation about narrative text from us.
Thank you for watching.